way we interact with our technology hasn't really changed in 60 years. Welcome, Kai. A revolutionary controller that will redefine the way you work and play. Switching your slides is now a joyride. And exploring your timeline on Premiere Pro that fluid. And playing with SolidWorks is an absolute delight. The Kai is your magic wand. It becomes what you want it to. A steering wheel of fury, check. A sword of destruction, check. An accessory of fashion, double check. The potential is limitless. The Kai isn't looking to take away your keyboard or your mouse. It's meant to tie in the gestural experience with them. So using the Kai while typing or pointing is a breeze. The Kai comes with an adjustable and customizable strap. It's extremely accurate with a 10 millisecond latency and an entire workday of battery life. Kai comes built in with BLE connectivity too. And that means the Kai isn't just limited to computers. We've taught the Kai to do things like home automation and virtual reality control, and even controlling drones in the near future. Our young and passionate team has worked on over 22 iterations, and we are ready to take the Kai for large-scale manufacturing.
This is Leroy. No, not that one. Leroy is a gamer. Sometimes he wins.
You win!
Sometimes not. Oh, come on, Leroy. Don't be mad. Everyone loses. You just need to find something to give you an edge. Cue the loot box. Loot box! This is the Bcon, a wearable gaming device. Feel the power. Feel the power! Equipped with color-changing LED lighting and attached directly to the shoe or foot, the Bcon connects to the PC via Bluetooth and can be mapped freely. The Bcon works alongside your preferred peripherals in any game for more interaction at the same time. The Bcon links the motion of your foot to whatever keystrokes you would like. With 4 distinct motions, Leroy has immediate access to up to 24 additional hotkeys. Use it to pilot your ship, or to transform your character, or to change your stance and roll to the right, or to the left, or I guess roll back to the right, and then, come on Leroy, now you're just rolling around in the dirt. Let's get going. Want to keep your focus on movement and aiming? Use your foot to switch weapons. To reload, lean from cover, or anything you want. And thanks to the Bcon's 0-point calibration, you can play in whatever position you want, for tactics' sake, or simply to make your gaming more comfortable. The Bcon reduces mechanical fails and can trigger complex combos without the use of automation scripts or macros. The possibilities are endless.
You're saying I can map anything I want?
Of course you can. You can map any key for any game. You can... Oh, wait a minute. I see what you're doing here. Well played, Leroy. Well played.
future of AR toys is probably going to have a lot more things like the merged 6 Degree of Freedom blaster. This is compatible with ARKit and AR Core and your smartphone. And last year, smartphones released a lot of impressive AR apps that were built into iOS and Android that allowed you to float things in 3D. What the blaster does is it creates a gun and accessory that's compatible with ARKit and AR Core. There are 3 triggers and a button, and it's fully movable in space, so you can duck, roll, slide around, and the graphics in this demo, which are built in ARKit, work astonishingly well. The blaster is also going to be multiplayer at launch, so if you're thinking of some sort of multiplayer phone laser tag, you've got the right idea. That is the goal, that you'll be able to play with multiple people and duke it out. Now the AR here again is on a phone, not with glasses. Maybe that's where AR needs to be for toys, because then you don't have to wear anything that you're going to stumble around with or recharge. This is using an iPhone 10. We don't know the price yet of the blaster, but it feels solid. The clicker and the triggers all seem to work pretty well. It looks fun, and the response rate is actually astonishingly good. It's meant to be open to other developers too, so that this and even the manufacturing structure of this could be open for people to tinker with and create other apps, and maybe this could become a platform. I also think there are going to be more things like this too. Much like Lenovo's Star Wars Jedi headset, expect a lot of AR and mixed reality with your phone in 2018.